I'm Matt, and today we're going to go over dynamic content in AI. So to navigate to the dynamic content page, you want to go to the bottom right hand corner here, Perform, and choose this icon, Dynamic Content, and that brings you up to this page. Now with dynamic content, we're using live generative code to create graphics and video. So none of these are pre-rendered, they're actually generated with GLSL shader code, and the attributes can be changed at will. So if we want a specific look at a specific speed or rendered to a specific resolution, that can all be done with dynamic content. So if we just change some of these to get the look that we're looking for, you can just mess about with some of these parameters. You want to ensure that dynamic content is enabled at the top here. That allows you to see what you're doing, and the opacity is all the way up. Now, if we're happy with this look, we can save it to a patch, and that will allow us to bring it up in our performance page like any other bit of media. So let's call this rainbow. Now if we disable that, we're back to our live performance in the performance page, and we can actually go back to our Windows Explorer, and like we would any other media clip, drag that into a bank like this. And now that can be activated and played back on any layer and faded and used blend types as you would any other media clip. If we go back to the dynamic content page, we'll just clear that, and you can see that there's loads of these available free online. A couple of these are from shadertoy.com, and you can create, based on a template in Salvation, some of these for yourself if you know a bit of programming. And these create really good looks that can be at a custom resolution if you've got different screens in different venues but you want the same look, and they work really well. Thank you guys for listening to this video, and I look forward to seeing you again for a new one. See you later.